Welcome to module 7, which is very interesting, where we prepare the data that acts as the knowledge base to be used in your AI chatbot. So readying the knowledge base for the AI chatbot. So this is where we extract data from your organization, all your products, product features, product prices, product order links, manual links, everything about your product and services. We put it in. Also additional information that your user might need. It can be a PDF, it can be text file, it can be a website URL. We will see the possibilities in here.
Okay, first let's go over the slides. In preparation for the AI chatbot, gathering details of the products and services is essential. This involves compiling comprehensive information on the product and services to be utilized, ensuring accurate and up-to-date data for effective implementation. Now, this is one of the key factors for success. So, collect as much data about your products and services and keep it up to date. For instance, Shogini Systems, our company, offers a very easy to update web interface where you can make changes. Enhancing the knowledge base with well-organized and detailed content will contribute to AI chatbot's ability to provide valuable and relevant information to the users, improving customer satisfaction and engagement. Now, here you don't need to worry much because you gather as much as you can initially and start your chatbot. Then daily or weekly, you look at the log and see the unhandled questions and update your knowledge base. We also offer such an interface where you can quickly see the unhandled question. Retrieval augmented generation, that is improving the prompt using our local information so that our company specific information is used to reply to the user. So we will see a practical example as we proceed. So here we have certain steps that we adopt. One is defining the scope. That is, when you install an AI chat application on your website, you have a top-level understanding of what you expect the user to get from your AI chatbot. Then, based on that, you gather existing available data. It can be text data, it can be your PDF documents, it can be your web pages. Structure the data. Now here, you don't really need to structure the data like our old relational database type of structuring. It need not be in columns, etc., but structure it in such a way that it is understandable for a normal person who can read. Now, add as much as value to your knowledge by adding everything about your service. For example, if there is parking facility available, mention that. So all the additional features that your clinic provides or your business provides, you can include and integrate with RAG technology. Now this comes as a part of the chatbot itself. Then comes training. Now training also is built into the chatbot. Now most of the chatbots, you can set the frequency of updating the training data. It can be weekly, it can be daily, etc. Then continuous improvement. You set the frequency so that, maybe once a week or even once a month, you look at the log and see the unhandled questions and update your knowledge base. Now let's see a quick demo of how we do it at Shogini. See, this is a sample knowledge base that we have updated for a demo company called ABC Dental Clinic. So here we have the address and phone numbers and contact details. Then we have the names of the doctors and their specialties and availability. Then we have the services and the prices. Then we have general questions and we have some additional information, value-added information. So this is a simple example of how you can structure the data, and based on this data, you can ask questions. Now these questions need not exactly match the data because this is using the large language model's intelligence to understand the language. I'm asking, do you have parking facility? And it says yes, ample parking is available for all our patients. So in our knowledge base, we have mentioned ample parking is available for all patients. And see the response, yes, ample parking is available for all our patients at the clinic. So it reformats sentence based on the user's question. Okay, and it's able to extract information like the pricing, etc. It's able to find out and give proper response to the user. And here is the web page where the knowledge base gets updated. So this is an interface that we provide at Shogini for our customers where they can easily update and save it so that the knowledge base is updated. So that is it for this module.
Thank you very much for completing this module. Best wishes. See you in the next module.